Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how your level in Hamster Kombat might impact your airdrop rewards? In this video, we'll dive into the latest updates about how levels, rankings, and those mysterious keys might affect your chances of getting a big airdrop. Imagine stepping into the world of Hamster Kombat, where every move you make could significantly affect your rewards. There's been a lot of buzz about levels and rankings, and how they might impact your airdrop. But is there really a connection? Let's explore this together. First, let's discuss levels. Initially, there was a lot of debate about whether your level actually influenced the airdrop you receive. However, there are increasing hints that your level could indeed play a role in determining your airdrop size. You might have noticed that some skins or items are only available if you reach a certain level. This raises an important question. Do levels really affect the value of your airdrop? Take Pixelverse as an example. Although Pixelverse didn't have a ranking system like Hamster Kombat, your level still had significant importance. Airdrops were calculated based on the level you were at. If this pattern holds true for Hamster Kombat, it might be crucial to work on improving your level. Next, let's talk about those mysterious keys. Recently, Hamster Kombat introduced new keys and minigames to obtain them. Some believe these keys will be highly valuable in the near future. Could these keys be your ticket to rare items or additional rewards? There's a strong possibility that these keys are linked to upcoming events or special airdrops. When it comes to the keys, there are many questions about how to use them. Stay updated on all key-related announcements, as they could open doors to valuable rewards. If you're finding it challenging to solve puzzles or handle the keys, take it seriously and don't miss out on valuable opportunities. While you focus on maximizing your levels and utilizing your keys, don't forget the importance of your profit per hour. If you're currently making between 2 million and 2.5 million, it's time to push those numbers higher. With the new cards and updates, reaching 3 million or more is becoming easier. Set your sights on improving your earnings and don't settle for lower figures. In summary, levels, rankings, and keys all play significant roles in your success in Hamster Kombat. Do your best to improve your level and make the most of the keys you acquire to get the best rewards. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.